Hey guys, this is Ashley with UENDURE, and today we are giving you a heads up on our special holiday bundle offer, the original Tea Infuser bottle with our awesome flip-top lid. You can save time and money for gift shopping with this amazing deal. Now let me show you how, you can flip it. Very easy. The UENDURE flip-top lid fits securely on your original Tea Infuser bottle. Now, if you care about the planet like we do, we know you'll appreciate the fact that our eco-friendly, BPA-free infuser bottles reduced waste because they replace disposable drinkware that ends up in landfills. The convenient screw-on flip-top lid is a perfect companion because it adds to the convenience of the on-the-go drinking and is made from durable #1 plastic. For a limited time, you can get both accessories at a super low price, but you better act now because we sold out fast last year. Do yourself a favor and grab a few bundles for your holiday gift giving. We even have a limited number of gift wrapped options. You can order at www.uendure.com for fast and easy shipping within the US. For international orders, contact us for details. Order today at uendure.com. And remember, when you make smart choices, you endure.